This video clips is to let you know, guys, these two beautiful cats, Borgia the white and Diamond the black, they know how to sit. They learned since they were babies. When always I feed in the morning or night, I tell them to sit and they know how to sit. So you will see. Diamond, go, sit. Sit, Diamond, sit. Diamond, sit. Thank you. Virgil, are you ready? Sit. He's waiting for his food. They know already. Okay, you want to move it back? Virgil, sit, Virgil. Diamond, sit. Virgil, sit. Thank you, boys. Boys, you're good. You're good, boys. See, they know how to do it. And when they don't have their food, if they don't get sit. But this is cats, not dogs. Ha 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 ha.